Let's now talk about how the video player works at Jazzedge. All right, so first of all, go to any course and then pick any lesson chapter here and just go ahead and click the play button. And then the video is going to start to play. All right, so I want to highlight a couple of different areas of the video player. Number one, here you can click this button and it will go back 10 seconds. This obviously plays the video, and this will go forward 10 seconds. This lets you know where you are in the video right now, and then this lets you know how long the video is. This is your volume, so if you click and hold and go to the left or the right, you can increase or decrease the volume. You can also just click any of those bars to get higher or lower. This is the A-B repeat. Clicking on this will show you the A-B repeat, and this allows you to loop sections of a video. Let's talk about this. Now, looping sections of the video can be done on all devices, but I'll be honest with you, it's most easy on a laptop or a desktop computer, anything that you have a keyboard. On the iPad, you need to click on these and you need to move these to say exactly what you want looped. All right, so when I do this, and you're going to make sure that the loop that your playhead is in between the loop. So if I go within here, you'll see that it's going to loop in just a second.
First of all, let's get started by just figuring Academy.
And it goes back. All right, so let's say that let's just clear out that loop for a second. I want to come in here and I want to start to play this right here. Okay, so now what I could do is I could use the I key. I'm clicking on I on my keyboard. That starts the loop section.
Is that a half step? Yes.
And then I could click the O key to have the end of the loop. So now if I play this.
About that. Is that a half step? Yes. No note in between. About that. Is that a half step?
And now it's going to keep looping that section back and forth. So really, really helpful in the learning process to have that looping functionality. All right, so now let's talk about this closed captions button. All right, so if I click on the CC here, you'll see it will probably say no subtitles, right? Meaning that it's not going to show subtitles. Or you could click on English and it's going to show you your English subtitles. Now this is great, especially if English isn't your first language. You can kind of see what I'm saying written on the screen. So if I go ahead and play this now.
The other reason is that it gives you some linear line motion in the left hand. That's
okay. So the closed captions will let you see exactly, you could read on the screen everything that I am saying. If you click on this two arrow button, it's going to make it full screen. And this is another helpful button right here. This allows you to change the speed of the video. So if you want to slow this down to like half speed.
That's going to help your tech.
Okay. And then finally, this button up here allows you to cast it to other devices. All right, so that's how to utilize the video player. Of course, if you have any issues, feel free to reach out to us.